Good morning. Welcome back to my channel, Ella Dishes It Out. Today we're going to be making some delicious chicken chipotle with chicken wings, chicken chipotle wings. It is going to be a honey chipotle chicken wings. So what I used is this Danos chipotle seasoning mix. It's low sodium, 0 calories. Danos Chipotle mix. So that is the seasoning that I'm using, and then I'm also going to be using some Sweet Baby Ray's honey chipotle barbecue sauce. So these are the two ingredients. So I've got my pan here. Let me just adjust my camera. Got my pan here. I have my chicken wings here already seasoned and marinated for about 30 minutes. With this seasoning that I just told you about. So marinate that chicken. I'm going to add a little pepper because I love pepper. But before I do that, we're going to lightly oil our pan with a non-stick butter. Non-stick butter flavored cooking spray. Because I don't like my chicken to stick to the pan. So I tried aluminum foil. I've tried wax paper, and they all stick. So I'm going to try my tried and true pan. So just generously oil that pan up, and then add your wings. So we're going to add our wings. I don't know if all of these are going to fit, but we're going to add them to our pan like so. Just put them in your pan. Oops. I'll have to rinse that one off because I dropped one. But, you know, just line your pan up with your wings like so. Just continue to line your wings up in the pan. Okay, so this is what your wings are going to look like before you put them in the oven. And like I said, I like to add pepper to mine. So I'm just going to generously spray on some pepper. Just regular black pepper. You can add salt if you want to. But I will be adding pepper to mine. So I'm just going to generously add some pepper on top. Just regular black pepper. I'm not going to add the salt because the chipotle seasoning already has a little bit of salt on it, but I like mine. You can add cayenne pepper. You can add whatever kind of pepper you want, and that's what it looks like. And you're just going to pop it in the oven and bake it until it's golden brown and crispy. Okay, I just took the wings out of the oven. They're done. They're good and ready to eat. I'm going to plate them up for you, so you can see how delicious and tasty they're going to be with the sauce. Okay, the next step after you take it out of the oven is to grab your chipotle honey sauce, and then you're just going to put it in a plastic bag and shake it around, and then you're going to put it on your plate. Okay, and here's your finished product. You have the delicious wings, honey chipotle wings. Man, are they good. So, you know, just always, if you ever want to try honey chipotle wings, feel free to do so. It's amazing. It's delicious. And I only use 2 ingredients. So try your 2 ingredient wings. You will love them. Now I'm going to try some. That's delicious. That is so delicious. All right, you guys try it. You'll like it. Bye.